Stop, stop, stop. It's not that kind of video. Today is the unboxing and review of the SDS hammer drill from Milwaukee 2416. And yeah, I'm so excited and happy that I got this that I'm unboxing it in the parking lot of Home Depot. This is something that I wanted to get my hands on because of the fact that I've been using a corded SDS drill from the Walt that I will be reviewing in another video. So that's the unboxing, that's the box. Obviously we're getting our SDS hammer drill out. Nothing else in the box, although this was a special kit and it came with a 4 amp battery. Alright, the key points. It is very lightweight. It does have a lot of power. Obviously the difference between a 4 amp and a 6 amp battery does give it more juice. It does, however, have a lot of vibration, and if you're going to be using it all day, it does hurt your hands. Goes through cement with rebar like butter. I mean, I really love this little SDS drill. One point to mention, again, that does vibrate a lot, so if you're going to be doing a lot of holes, prepare for that. It is, however, more quiet than the corded, the Walt version that I have. And if you pair it up with this particular SDS drill bit, it is fantastic. The other one, on the other hand, does bend. If you use this at home, be careful because they do bend. Other than that, it's an ass kicking tool. 100% recommended ass kicker. Show some love, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.